Welcome, in front of me I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I will show you how we can connect AirPods to the smartphone. So at first we have to open charging case of our AirPods, and next we have to rotate them like that, and as you can see on the back of the charging case right here we can find the key. We have to click and hold it until the indicator on the front starts blinking on a white color. So let's make it. Click and hold. Now we can release, and let's move to our smartphone, open the notification bar, click and hold the Bluetooth icon to enter the Bluetooth settings, tap on the Bluetooth switcher to turn it on, and we have to wait until they pops on the available devices list. So here it is, and we can simply tap on it to connect, and as you can see after a few moments we are already connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.